Live from wherever you are right now, it's the news!
To explain how earthquakes actually happen. Earthquakes actually form. Earthquakes happen when the plates under Earth's surface collide. This collision causes the plates to go one above the other, and it causes the vibrations that are either big or small, and it can bring down buildings. Also, after earthquakes, there are aftershocks, which are smaller vibrations that happen after the big ones.
In your house during an earthquake, make sure you stay away from windows and furniture that could fall over. Get under sturdy tables and desks to avoid getting toppled by debris. If you are already inside, stay there and do not risk going outside. Be ready for aftershocks and stay calm.
Did you see Oleg?
I saw a nice sunny day, and then all of a sudden, the earth shook.
What did you do when it struck?
I did some of Michael's precautions.
What were those?
I went away from the windows and went under a desk.
Good job.
Thanks. And my building, it was reinforced, so I was lucky. I went outside later after the earthquake, and I saw many buildings that were toppled, and lots of people were injured. This was a scary day.
Yeah, I hope it never happens again.
Yeah, me too.
This is Evan here from Shiloh News. What a devastating day this has been. This afternoon, on May 12, 2008, there was a horrific earthquake in China. It trapped many kids under school buildings, burying them alive. There is no way to prevent earthquakes, but there are some precautions you can take. Here's Michael with those precautions. Hi, Michael. Precautions. Thanks, Michael. So our newscaster Oleg was at China when the earthquake hit. Now Sam, our science expert, is here to tell us what caused the earthquake. Hi, Sam. For the facts. This has been your Shiloh 7 o'clock news. Good night.